Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'm going to level up your presentation game using AI. So in today's video we will be using ChatGPT in order to generate a VBA code to make your presentations within a blink of an eye. So if you are a student, a professional, or someone who just wants to make some awesome slides, this video is going to help you a lot and save you tons of time. So stick till the end. So first of all, before diving into this topic, let me tell you what's so awesome about ChatGPT. So basically, ChatGPT is an AI using which you can do anything, from generating codes to images to whatever you like. What you need to do is ask ChatGPT whatever you want and it will generate it for you. In this video, we will be generating a VBA code for our presentation using ChatGPT. So first, let us head over to ChatGPT. So I'll give ChatGPT this command, as you can see on the screen, and when I'll give this command, it will generate me the VBA code which we will be using in PowerPoint in order to generate our PPT. So as you can see, ChatGPT has generated the VBA code for us. Just copy the code, go to PowerPoint, open up a blank presentation. Now go to Tools, Macro, and then Visual Basic Editor. Click on New, paste it, and then run it. So you can see the entire presentation has been created, right? Now you can move on to design and then give some cool designs for it. Start your slideshow. So you can add animations and stuff, and that is how you do it. That's it for today's video. I hope you liked it. If you did, don't forget to drop a like on this video. Also, if you want more such videos, comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more such content. Thanks for watching.